everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, as we all know that placement season has already been started. Many companies has already started hiring and many companies are about to start hiring. So we have to prepare before the exam so that we can crack the exam in our first attempt. So in this video, we will discuss that what should be the strategy and tips to crack the examination in your first attempt. In more details, we will discuss how to prepare for placement exam like TCS, Accenture, DXC, Wipro, Infosys, etc. As we all know that TCS and Accenture and some of the other companies has already been started to hire 2024 batch. So we have to prepare well before the examination, right? And what are the important topics to cover? What are some specific topics that are surely come in the exam? What will be the syllabus? And how much time is required to crack the examination? What should be the strategy to crack the examination? Some previous year questions, I will solve some previous year questions. I will show you the demo questions, that these type of questions are coming in the examination, or these type of question already been asked in the previous examinations. So you will grab the idea that what type of questions you will see in the examination in, and I will give you some tips and tricks to solve a question in 30 seconds only. And from where to prepare, what are the some resource, is there any course to crack the examination, to prep for your examination, and how to crack any placement exam in just 15 days. I will discuss all the things in this video. So before proceeding further, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Also press the notification bell so that you will never miss any update from our side. So let's begin the video now. So first of all, how to prepare for all your placement exams. So almost every company has similar pattern along with minute changes. Like every company asks aptitude question, then logical reasoning, verbal English, coding questions, or some of the companies like Accenture, Infosys ask pseudo question, or we can say output based questions. And like DXC Technology and other companies ask Automata Fix. I will discuss each and everything, that what are pseudo questions, what is coding, what is automata fix on, and what are the aptitude, logical reasoning, and so and so. So just we continue with this video, okay? And some of the questions like find the error in the code snippet. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. So first of all, see that what is the syllabus, what are the topics you have to prepare with. So in the quant section, you have to prepare with number system. Let me take the pen. So you have to prepare with number system, HCF and LCM, again an important topic, decimal and fractions, divisibility rule. Basically, these all are the from number system. Okay, so ages and averages, again an important topic, time and work, very important topic, pipes and system, and application of time and work. Okay, boards and stream, again an application. Problems on boards and stream, time, speed and distance, again an important topic, and problems on train. Then mixtures and allegation, very important topic, ratio and proportion, very important topic, percentage, a must do topic, profit and loss, again a very important topic, SI and CI, again a very important topic. These all are very very important. And permutation and combinations, this type of questions asked in TCS, especially TCS, and sometimes in Accenture also. Permutation and combination, probability, again important topic. Progression, progression is also important, but not for all the examinations. So if you want to skip it, then you can skip it, but make sure to prepare with all these topics. Okay, statics asked in TCS, especially DI asked in TCS, especially area and volume asked in every question, asked in every paper. So this is all about the quant syllabus. I hope this is clear to you. So moving on to the next. Next is the syllabus of reasoning. So the syllabus of reasoning series, you have to prepare with series like number series, letter series, word series, alphanumeric series, mixer series, all types of series you have to prepare with. Then analogy, then statement and conclusion, a very very important topic. Statement assumption, a very important topic. Data sufficiency, again an important topic. Cube and okay, then distance and direction, important topic. Blood relation, very very important topic, asked in every kind of exam, including government exam as well as placement exam. Syllogism, also an important topic. Odd man out, important topic. Then we will see seating arrangement, puzzles, clocks and calendar, important topic, but only one or two questions asked from clocks and calendar, and decision making. Sometimes it is also been asked. Now, what are the must prepare topic in this reasoning? Okay, so I will say series, statement and conclusion, statement and assumption, data sufficiency, and from cube and keyword there are one or two questions. Okay, blood relation, very important topic. Syllogism, again an important topic. And then seating arrangement and clocks and calendar, must ask question. Puzzles also asked, especially in Infosys puzzles are asked. Next is, what is the syllabus of verbal abilities? So there are some topics. First of all, you have to notice that you are done with the basic concepts of grammar. Okay, so basic grammar like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech topic you have to prepare with, and some basic knowledge of tenses. So this is all about the basic grammar. And then antonym and synonym. Then you have to prepare with active and passive voice, a very easy and important topic. Direct and indirect speech, sometimes it is also asked. Tense is a most important topic. You will be not able to solve many type of questions like sentence reordering, sentence completion, and so and so. Articles, a very important topic. uh, I can say a must prepare topic. Okay, then idioms and phrases. I noticed that TCS asked so many questions from idioms and phrases last year, means in 2023. For the 2023 batch, TCS asked idioms and phrases. A lot of questions from idioms and phrases were asked from the TCS. Okay, subject verb agreement, a must do topic. Preposition and conjunction, sentence correction and completion, a must do topic. Error identification and correction, an important topic. Sentence improvement and reordering. Okay, so this is also a very important topic. Parajumbles, a must do topic, especially asked in TCS and Infosys also. Okay, and reading comprehension asked in every placement exam. It is very important topic. You can't skip. If you skip it, then it will not good for you. So I have discussed the whole syllabus of foundational part, I can say, like aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. From where to prepare? So there are many courses available, but they are not affordable. But on our platform, online study for you, we have lots of courses. We have workshop, we have live classes, and we have recorded class as well. So you can go to our platform and you can see that there are various type of courses and all are in affordable prices. So if you want to learn from there, then you can enroll in our courses. Okay, also if you want to prepare free, then also on our YouTube channel there are many type of courses. There are many tips and tricks taught by Pratik sir, and coding by Soumya ma'am also. So you can prepare from YouTube also. But if you don't want to take even 1% risk to crack your placement examination, then I will suggest you to go on our website online study for you. The link is given in the description also, or you can search on Google, and that will redirect you there. So you can enroll in that course whatever you want to. Okay. In the coding part, coding will be asked in three types. First of all, pseudocodes, then automata fix, then coding questions. Now what is pseudocode? So pseudocodes are like output based question. There will be a code snippet, and you have to tell them output. What will be the output by seeing that code snippet? By seeing that code snippet, and that code snippet or that code will not be written in any specific programming language. It can written in any specific programming language, but in most of the cases that will not write in any specific language. So you don't worry about that, you know C or C++, but the code is in Java. Okay, so don't worry about that. That will completely free of any programming language. Okay, so, and to solve pseudo questions, you should be prepared with basic concepts of DSA, means data structures and algorithm, and basic programming is enough, like loops, functions, operators, etc. These type of topics in code. If you know these fundamentals, then you will be able to solve those questions. Okay, so next is, what is automata fix? So automata fix is for check for syntax or logical error and correct the error to get the desired output. So again, there will be a code snippet or something like code, and there will be a particular error though, and also there can be more than one error. You have to find that error and you have to give them correct output. Don't worry guys, I will give you example of each of the topic. Okay, so don't worry. Just now there are some examples. So the first example is from quant. Okay, so an amount of rupee 950 is distributed among A, B, C in the ratio 5, 11 and 3. What is the difference between the share of B and A? So can you solve this question in just 30 seconds? I will solve in the 30 seconds, but first of all, you try to and comment below. Okay, I hope you solved. Now I am solving this question. And guys, see, this question is already been asked in TCS NQT. Okay, so now I am solving this question. So the amount is 950 and this is distributed among A, B, C. So first of all, we will see A, B, C, and the ratio is 5, 11 and 3. Don't go to the writing guys. Okay, so total amount is 950, but according to us the amount is 11 plus 5 is 16 and 3 is 19, right? But the total amount is 950. So when we divide this, so one part will be 50, right? So what is asked by this question? What is the difference between the share of B and A? According to the ratio, the difference is 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6 and one part is 50. So we will multiply the 50 by 6. So this will be 300 and the 300 is answer. So just 30 seconds is enough to solve this question. And this question was asked in TCS NQT. So you can get the idea. Okay. And this question is from ratio and proportion. So moving on to the next question. Next question is from logical reasoning. So this question is from coding decoding, a very important topic and asked in every placement as well as government exam. So in a coded language, person is written as this, then how will should will be written. So guys, first of all, I will suggest you to stop this video and solve it on your own. Okay, so let's solve. So person is written as 5, 6, 1, uh-oh, sorry, 1, 9, 5 and 7. Now if you know how to solve these type of question, then you must know these numbers. Okay, like A is for 1, B is for 2, C is for 3 and so and so. So P is for 16, E is for 5, R is for 18, S is for 19, O is for 15, and N is for 14. Now, when we add up these questions, now when we add up these numbers, so we will get 6 and 7, 6 and 1 7, 5, 8 and 1 9, 10, 6 and 5, right? When we add up these questions. Now, how I get the idea to add these questions and to solve this question? Because I have already practiced lots of questions, because there are various type of questions and you have to go through with all types of questions. I have already been go through with the all type of questions, so I am able to solve this question. Now, if you want to learn the concepts of reasoning, then you can go on the channel or you can go on our platform website online study for you, and from there you can enroll in a course to make you sharpen in this skill. Okay, so now this is 5, so we can say that 5 is written here. This is 6, so 6 is written here, and 1 and 0, so 1 is written here, 9 is written here, and 5 is written here, and 7 is written here. So crossing, right? Crossing type of question is this. So now we will write for should. SHOUL and B. Right. So S is for 19, H is for 8, O is for 15, U is for 21, L is for 12, and D is for 4. So when we add up this, so we will get 4, 3, 3, 5 and 1, 6, 8, and 1 and 9, 10. So 1, 4, 3, 3, 5 and 1, 6, 8, and 9. 9, 1, 10. So we will only write 1. Okay, I hope you got the idea. And so yeah, moving on to the next question. Next question is from verbal ability. Choose the grammatically correct option. Though all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator, but where they are permitted, there are restrictions on the models allowed. So we have to check the error, we have to find out the error in the underlying part. Though all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator, so first of all, let's try out or let's try to solve it on your own. Pause the video and use your mind. So, though all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator. So, if I will solve this question, so I will say not all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator. So, I think this will be the correct answer. Not all competitive exams allow the use of a calculator. Now, why these are not? So, though there is no any need to use though is grammatically incorrect. All competitive, so this is the wrong because of though. Then every competitive exam does not allow using of calculators. If we talk about the whole community or the whole group or like everything, so we don't use every for this. So we will use all the competitive exam does not allow. Okay, so every is wrong here and no correction is required. So no, so this will be the correct output or answer. Not all competitive exams allow the use of a calculator, right? So I hope it is clear to you. But if you have doubts, then you can ask in the comment section. I will reply for sure. So moving on to the next. Next is pseudocode. Okay, so this is a code, pseudocode. As I have already mentioned that the code will be free of any specific programming language. So this code is in just uh, normal language. Okay, this course is sorry. So this code is free from any programming language, and this is a switch case statement. So set character C7. Now switch C. So 7 will be passed here. Then we will match case 1. So 7 is matched by 1. No. So we will come here. Then case 7. So this is matched here, and this will display 7. Okay. So 7 will be displayed here first of all. Now as we can see that there is no any break statement here, so our control will come on to the next line and then it will be also print case 2 display 2. So but and there is no use of any new line operator, so 2 will also be there. And again there is no, I lost my cursor. And again, there is no any break statement. So we will again come in the default part and we will display hello, or control will display hello. So this will be the output of it and this will be the correct answer. Not why not only 7 will be displayed on the screen, because of the break statement, because of the missing of break statement. There is no any break statement, so the control will continue to compile the code. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you and you have solved on your own. Okay, so moving on to the next. So next is guess the output. So these type of questions are asked in Accenture, Infosys and other companies. So hash include stdio, this is in the C language. Int main, so first of all int number assign 987, then int remainder, this is for remainder, while num is not equals to 0. Rem is num under modulus 5. This is modulus operator. What is the work of it? This will through remainder. If we divide any number by another number, so this will give you the remainder. Okay, so let's try out. So first of all, in this remainder will be, according to this number is 987 modulus 4. So when we divide 987 by 4, so what will we get? Let's divide 987 by 4. 4 to the 8 and remainder is 1 and 8. 4 4 4 is 16 and 2 and 7, 6, 24 and 3. So the remainder is 3. So the remainder will assign by 3. Okay, so in the very first step, the remainder is 3. And now num is num by 10. So what will be the num? Num by 10. So when we divide this number by 10, we will get 98 simply. Okay. Now again we will run pass under the while loop as number is not equals to 0. Number is 98 and this is not equals to 0. So the control will come into the while loop and again remainder is num modulus 4. So remainder is num modulus 4. What is num? 98 and 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Now the remainder is 2. So this will be 2 and the number will be, again when will we divide 98 by 10? So we will get 9. So this will be 9. Okay. Now again we will pass under the while loop and the condition is true again. Number is not equals to 0. 9 is not equals to 0. The control will come into the while loop and now remainder will be 9 modulus 4. So the remainder will be 1. Okay. Now number will be, I'm writing here, number will be num divided by 10. So 9 divided by 10. This will be 0. Now number is not equals to 0. So the condition is fail and the control will come out from while loop and this will print the remainder. So this time remainder is 1. So the output will be 1. Okay. So this type of question, and this question was asked in, I think, Infosys or Accenture. So moving on to the next. So next question is from Automata Fix and Automata Fix is asked by DXC Technology. What is the problem? Let's see. From the given set of the array, integer numbers in array, write the program to add the numbers the same as the given number. The program takes three separated values. First is the length of len, second array, and the third number as value. So input format is, first of all, the size of array means length, then input number, the whole array, and the element. What we have to do, like this is the array. Like suppose this is the array 1 2 3 4 2. Okay, this is the array and there is an element. Now we have to sum all the elements. Those are equal to 2. So 2 and 2. So what will be the sum of this? 4. So we have to print 4. I hope this is clear to you. Again, just listen to me carefully and you will get the idea of it. So this is the input. First of all, the length of the array. So 8 is the length of the array. This is our array and 8 is the length of the array. Then input number, the whole array is input here and the element is 2. So in this array, we have to find where is 2. So at this place 2, at this place 2 and at this place 2. So we have to sum all three 2. Okay. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6 and we have to print 6. I hope it is clear to you. So the output of this question, the code of this question is already given here. You have to find out the error in that part. Okay, you have to find out the error in that part. So we will write a function int len for the size of the array and the whole array and the value. This is 2. Okay, now in sum assign 0. First of all, we have to assign the sum. What is the program to print the sum of array elements? So this is like sum assign 0 and for the whole work. Okay, sum is sum plus array of I, right? This is the program. So this is the wrong code. You have to find out the error. Int I equals to 0. I is less than length minus 1. Okay, so now according to this, first of all, you try to code on your own. Don't go for the wrong code. Don't go for the wrong code. The best trick to solve this question is see the problem statement and start to code. See the problem statement, understand the problem, and start to code in your own. I will write the code for this problem. So I will write it as, suppose I am already in function. So I will be write like int sum equals to 0 for int I equals to 0, I is less than length and I plus plus. Okay, then I will write if array of I is equals to value, then what I have to do is sum plus equals to array equals to value or array of I we can say. So and here return sum. So this will be the correct output. So what was the error? So error in this part, this is already less than by length, so there is no need to length minus 1, and also there is no any increment. Okay, so if we see the correct output of this, so this is the correct output. I is less than length and I plus plus and this line. Okay, so this was the automata fix. Now, what type of coding questions asked in these type of companies? So there is this is your homework. You have to complete this homework and you have to write your code in the comment section. You have to. Okay, this is your homework. If you are honest at this time, then you will surely crack your examination. So this is all about this video. I have given the overview that these type of questions are asked in the placement exam. So be prepared with these type of questions and other question as well. And also don't forget to visit our website online study for you. There you will see that what type of courses are there. 10 plus years of previous questions paper are provided to you in these courses. Okay, so if you want to prepare with previous questions, then this will be a beneficial part for you. So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.